Imagine working in a field where you can shape the way we live, work, and even think. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence jobs offer diverse opportunities, including tech-heavy roles and those in more creative fields like art and music, customer experience design, and marketing analysis, where you can use AI to blend technology with human creativity. AI jobs offer an exciting chance to work on cutting-edge societal challenges. For instance, AI-powered tools are advancing early disease detection, combating climate change, and creating more efficient supply chains. This technology is transforming industries across the globe and sending demand for skilled professionals skyrocketing. Although you can also explore non-tech positions, today we're going to navigate some of the more techie jobs you might encounter as you navigate the exciting landscape of AI jobs. If you're excited about the future of AI and want to stay updated on the latest career opportunities and tech insights, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We'll be your guide to the tech careers of tomorrow. Now let's explore these exciting AI roles. AI developer. Craft innovative AI applications that enhance users' experience. Think virtual assistants and recommendation systems. Machine learning engineer. Design systems that improve over time, like self-driving car algorithms or personalized healthcare tools. Data scientist. Analyze massive data sets to uncover patterns and predictions, fueling smarter business decisions. Robotics engineer. Merge AI with robotics to create machines capable of complex tasks from industrial automation to surgery. Beyond these roles, AI also finds applications in marketing, operations, and data analysis, making it relevant across all industries, from healthcare to finance and even art. Not all AI jobs require an advanced degree in computer science. You might be able to begin your career journey with certifications or boot camps focusing on key tools like Python, TensorFlow, or Tableau. We've included some links to popular programs below. It's also notable that employers often prioritize practical, hands-on experience over formal credentials. To begin, consider these critical steps. Build skills. Learn programming languages like Python and frameworks such as TensorFlow. Earn certifications. Programs like IBM's AI Developer Professional Certificate demonstrate expertise to employers. Stay updated. AI evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is key. AI is not just about coding, it's about innovation, creativity, and solving real-world problems. Artificial intelligence isn't just the future, it's happening now, and there's no better time to jump in. Are you ready to start your AI journey? Because I've linked some of the best AI courses and certifications in the description below, including both free and paid options. If this video helped clarify your path forward, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech career guidance. Drop a comment below telling us which AI roles interest you the most. Are you more excited about machine learning, robotics, or something else? Let's discuss your AI career goals.